Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel Learn Lessons. It's your Jay back with some more awesome stuff. So today we're going to learn fun facts about three different animals. So the first one is going to be kangaroo. The kangaroo's lifespan is 6 years. So this is a newborn baby. Fun fact, did you know a newborn baby is 1 inch long? And it is called a jovi. And here's a 1-month-old kangaroo. Did you know the kangaroo stays in the pouch for 3 years and rest of the years it comes out and play? Yeah, but also when it's 1 month old, it comes out and plays sometimes, but most of the times it stays in its mother pouch. Here's a 5-month-old kangaroo. Did you know that kangaroos use their strong tails for balance while jumping? They're the tallest of all marsupials, standing over 6 feet, which is 2 meters tall. Here's a 3-year-old kangaroo. Kangaroos live in the eastern Australia. They live in small groups called troops or herds, moves by Australians, typically made up of 50 or more animals. If threatened, kangaroo pound the ground with their strong feet in warning. Fighting kangaroos kick opponents and sometimes even bite. Here's an adult kangaroo. Female kangaroos sport a pouch on their belly, made by a fold in their skin, to cradle baby kangaroos called joeys. Newborn joeys are just 1 inch long, which is 2.5 centimeters, at birth, or about the size of a grape. After birth, joeys travel unassisted through their mom's thick fur to comfort and safety of the pouch. A newborn joey can't suckle or swallow, so the kangaroo mom uses her muscles to pump milk down his throat. Around 4 months, the joey emerges from the pouch for short trips and to gaze on grass and small shrubs. At 10 months, the joey is mature enough to leave the pouch for good. So the next animal is going to be a snake, and a snake's lifespan is 9 years, which is just 3 years older than our kangaroo. So here's a newborn snake, and fun fact, did you know that snakes don't have eyelids? Yeah, that's true. Here's a 3-year-old snake. There are more than 3,000 species of snake on the planet, and they're found everywhere except in Antarctica, Iceland, Ireland, Greenland, and New Zealand. About 600 species are venomous, and only about 200, 7%, are able to kill or significantly wound a human. Here's a 7-year-old snake, and this is a king snake. Non-venomous snakes, which range from harmless garter snakes to not-so-harmless python, dispatch their victims by swallowing them alive or constricting them to death. Whether they kill by striking with venom or squeezing, nearly all snakes eat their food whole, and sometimes astoundingly large portions. So what that means is, like, if it's a large prey, they'll bite it in small pieces to, like, it's easier for them. So here's a 9-year-old snake, and this is the last year of the snake. Almost all snakes are covered in scales, and as reptiles, they're cold-blooded, and they must regulate their body temperature externally. Scales serve several purposes. They trap moisture in arid climates and reduce friction as the snake moves. There have been several species of snakes discovered that are mostly scaleless, but even those have scales on the belly. And I know a snake which doesn't have a scale. That's the scaleless rat snake. Yeah, scaleless rat snake. This is when snakes shed. Did you know that snakes shed 1 week before they lay eggs? When they're in shedding time, their skin is dull color, as you can see, and they have something called eye cap. When they're in shed time, they grow a new one after they shed the old one. So what is the eye cap is, as you can see right there, in the eye, you see the color of the eye is dull. That is the eye cap. So why snakes shed 1 week before they lay eggs is when their eggs grow, their body gets bigger. So the old skin will rip automatically, so they're shed before laying eggs. So when the new skin comes, there's no problem. So the last animal we're going to see is about mosquito, and their lifespan is 7 days. The white color are the eggs of the mosquito. Fun fact, did you know that mosquitoes have been around since the Jurassic period? That makes them about 210 million years old. So here's a larva of the mosquito. There are more than 3,000 species. There are more than 3,000 species. Only a couple hundred feed on human blood. About 175 of them are found in the United States, with Anopheles quadrimaculatus, Culus pipens, Aedes aegypti, and Aedes albopictus among the most common. The Anopheles is a malaria carrier, and the other three are known to spread various forms of encephalitis. Zika is primarily spread by Aedes aegypti mosquitoes. Pupa. Did you know that mosquitoes don't have teeth? The females bite with a long pointed mouth part called a proboscis. They use the serrated proboscis to pierce the skin and locate a capillary, then draw blood through one of two tubes. Here's an adult mosquito. The bumps from bites are caused by saliva, which one tube in the proboscis draws blood. While one tube in the proboscis draws blood, a second pumps in saliva containing a mild painkiller and an anticoagulant. Most people have minor allergic reactions to the saliva, causing the area around the bite to swell and itch. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button, like, share, and comment. And don't forget to hit the notification bell so you do not miss out on any new uploads that I do. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.